Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable autofill light on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. You can enable autofill light, so whenever there's not enough light, it will automatically turn it on the robot in order to increase their cleaning efficiency. So we can do that by going to Settings, Reactive Obstacle Avoidance, and find Fill Light. Now you can set it to automatic, so it'll automatically do that in low light conditions to enhance the obstacle recognition, or you can set it to off if you don't want the fill light to be on. It will still recognize obstacles because it has IR sensors which don't require light, which don't require human visible light, but it may be less efficient. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.